Hi there, and welcome to another episode of This Meraki Life. Today we wanted to share with you a little bit of a glimpse into what homeschool can sometimes look like when burnout happens. We filmed this video a couple of months ago. What basically it was the springtime, and what was going on was that the beautiful weather was coming out. Mama was burnt out. Boys were burnt out. We're watching the sunshine out every day, and having to pull books out and sit at the table and work on our books was just getting really difficult. So we decided to get creative instead. Creativity is what fills my soul and brings me to life, and I needed a little infusion of that. And I just thought, well, I wanted the boys to be interested as well. So we borrowed tools from some awesome friends that we have in our community, and they lent it to us for like a month, which was really sweet and kind. So so we had to beg and borrow to get the tools we needed, and then we put this really fun project together. It did take us about a month, but that's okay, because we needed that month to just be creative and to get into something fun that wasn't books. So I just wanted to share this because sometimes I think we need permission to allow ourselves the opportunity to just put the books away sometimes. And I think that that's okay. And there's really cool learning that can happen when we do that. So a little note about this video is that only in Canada can you see both tank tops and a winter coat in the same short span of time. Sometimes this was like the next day or whatever, the next week. So definitely we struggle with weather here, but we got it done. So if you stick around, you'll be able to see at the end kind of the final project and what we have out now. And if I'm really honest, I felt like when we were making this that it was really a gift really from God, because he just put it in my heart that especially during COVID, where some people don't always feel comfortable coming inside, it was a way that we would be able to reach the community around us just by providing a beautiful little spot outside to be able to sit and feel normal, and to maybe have a cup of tea together and just to chat. And so it's been a few months since then, and we've definitely seen a lot of people, but it turns out I've only used it a couple of times, because we always end up standing either out front or going somewhere else and doing something outside. But we have used it a couple of times, and it's very comfortable. So we hope that you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.
Move it, move it, move it. Back to work, people.
Okay.